What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another birthday celebration tutorial. As you guys know, I hope you have been following, but for the last two videos I've been recreating or creating actually birthday looks that I would rock for my birthday because August is my birthday month, and I am doing birthday looks leading up to my actual birthday, which is August 22nd. Your girl's getting older, she's getting wiser, she's getting thicker. Guys, this is the look that we created for birthday look número 3. Este es el look que he creado para los tutoriales de maquillaje de cumpleaños. So if you guys want to see how to recreate this look, then keep watching this video. Mel fact number 3. One thing about me that you all probably didn't know. I know I have family on here. I know I have best friends. I know I have friends. But for those of you who this is your first time meeting me, something that a lot of people don't know about me is that I actually took Taekwondo for a couple years. Yo, girl can kick some butt. So we were in Taekwondo, right? My older brother, which he's only a year older than me, and myself, we were arguing. We were angry at each other. I have no idea. It was probably because he finished all of the juice at home or something goofy like that, right? So we were angry at each other, and then we go to Taekwondo practice. So I remember he ended up going by himself because he was so mad. He didn't want to wait for me. I'm like, okay, whatever. So I ended up walking myself to practice, and then boom, we get there and they're like, all right, it's sparring time. So they put me against my brother, and we were sparring, and we were so angry at each other. We were just getting kicks and kicks and kicks. And you know, like I was a girl, but I did pretty good until he knocked the wind out of me. He roundhouse kicked me so hard. He knocked the wind out of me. I could not breathe. It was just so painful. Like, I'm holding my stomach right now because I can literally channel the pain of how excruciating this was. This hit, this blow to my abdominal area. I was clearly not holding my stomach tight. I was not expecting it. So then I just kind of stopped. I remember my body went, whoo. You know how like when someone hits you and you're like, that's that shock, that aftershock? That's what happened. So he roundhouse kicked me. I'm gonna paint the picture for you guys. He roundhouse kicks me. I don't see it coming. I'm still up here, right? He hits me from under, and I absorb the kick, and I go, whew. And I'm just like, I'm remembering like being like, oh my God, like I could not hold it. Baby girl started crying. I started crying. They're like, all right, go sit down. So then he went against someone else. That was it. That was one of the memories that I have, but it was a really great part of my life that I remember. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Adios.